Truly Free Home's Heavy Duty Degreaser works better than many of the most powerful products available on the market, yet is completely non-toxic and safe to use around your family and pets. Not only does it cut through tough grease, it's powerful enough to get decades-old grease stains out of concrete and metal. Your first order comes with a forever bottle. To get started, simply fill the bottle with warm to hot water to the fill line. Add 1 refill pouch and top it off with more water. Then tighten the sprayer securely and shake it up. Now you're ready to clean any kind of grease stain, whether it's on your oven, stove, pots and pans, tires, floor, barbecue grills and grates, cement, or even clothes. Just let Heavy Duty Degreaser sit for a minimum of 15 seconds before wiping clean. Be sure to add Heavy Duty Degreaser refills to your next Truly Free Home shipment. The more items in your box, the more you save.